Sat Shri Akal ji. This video I've been planning from a long time to make one about the reason behind my back pain problem. First of all, there must be few people around you too who gives you smear look taunts. Oh, ini mainu ae kiya si, she did this to me, ਏਦਾਂ ਹੋਇਆ. Excuse me? In which world you are living in? Which era are you living in? This is 21st century and we are well educated people. ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਕਹਿਣ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਸੋ ਡੋਂਟ ਯੂ ਵਰੀ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦੈਟ. ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਕੀਤੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੀ ਪਰਵਾਹ ਕਰਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਦ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਜ਼ ਦੈਟ accept your mistakes, ठीक है, and learn from them and move on. So मेरी mistake A सी because I consider myself like, okay, I can do this, full of energy all the time. So it's a blessing for me it happened at this stage of life so that I can learn how to manage myself because I'm getting older, not younger. So first of all, अपने आप दी care करो, ठीक है. You can do heavy work, you can do lifting, and it can happen to anyone, okay? Whether you're doing a heavy lifting job or you're doing driving or you are doing the chair sitting jobs in the office. So many I have seen anywhere. But in my case, it happened and I'm so happy it happened to me because I was like, until it don't happen to you, you don't take care about that thing. So now I know how to take care of myself in the coming years of my life as I'm gonna be 40s and 50s soon, fingers crossed. So, and then the reason is like when they ask you, these white people not to lift the boxes heavy like other way around, just follow the right procedure as we say. So ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੀ ਗਲਤੀ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਦੇ ਐਕਸੈਪਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਵੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਥੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰਲੀ follow up procedure ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਟਰਬਲ ਕੀਤੀ. But on the other hand, I got this like kind of what would I say for this one, like information I will say from the internet because we were ready to go India. Everything was like planned because here like they were taking ages even on the private insurance for the surgery and my husband was like planning everything. Then I asked him like give me just one chance to go here. If it not will be better then definitely we will go for the surgery. Now like people don't know about this thing and they don't research, they go just to physios, chiros, and honestly no offense but we should do the right thing. Second thing, nobody's inviting the troubles by themselves. First of all, it took them 1 year to find out the actual cause of the problem. They did X-ray twice, they did the MRI, they couldn't find in the first time, then they have to do it again, then they came to know but it was already too late. So it's all scientific, ठीक है. कोई किसी दे कहण ना कुछ नहीं हुंदा. Let them give you smear looks, let them give you taunts and all this because this is what they got. So in my case, don't you worry, I've been doing this from a long time. Yes, the most important thing today I want to say, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੇ ਲੋਕ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਦਿਨ ਚ, nobody is in the field of motivating. Everybody wants to put somebody down ke oh ਤੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ, ਤੂੰ ਜੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ. For me, they come to me and say, oh, you have been doing this from a long time. You haven't joined the airline yet. When are you joining the airline? First of all, none of your business. Second thing, I really want to ask them, when is your flight taking off from the Melbourne airport? But ਫਿਰ ਗੱਲ ਉੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰੀ ਮੰਮਾ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਿਖਾਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਲੈਵਲ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨਾ. Just laugh at them and ignore them. Bas, this is the best you can get for these people. They don't deserve your attention, your respect. ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ disrespect ਕਰਦਾ, yes, show them the mirror that how it feels like, Second thing, ਬਾਕੀ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਸਿੱਖੋ, ਠੀਕ ਆ. ਜੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਮਿਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਲੱਭ ਲੈਣਗੇ. ਉਹ ਤੇਰੀ ਲੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਆ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਤੂੰ ਨਾ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਪਾਉਂਦੀ ਆ, ਤੂੰ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਲਵਾਈ ਆ, ਤੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਐ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਵਰਤਨ ਉਹ ਕਮ ਔਨ ਯਾਰ ਪਲੀਜ਼. ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਜੌਬਸ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਸਾਰੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਲਾਈਕ ਵੀ ਮੀਟ ਐਟ ਦ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ ਔਰ ਸਮਵੇਅਰ ਐਟ ਦ ਟ੍ਰੀਟਮੈਂਟ ਸੈਂਟਰਸ. ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ ਕਿਹਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀਰੇ, ਆਪਣਾ ਗਿਆਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਰੱਖੋ. People are doing much better than you. Just to let you know, that's why nobody want to be around you guys. ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ negative energy ਦੇ around ਹੋਣਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਨੂੰ. ਬਸ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਤੇ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰੋ, ਆਪਣੇ ਕਰੀਅਰ ਤੇ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰੋ. And I turned like 36 and I am almost like preparing myself for the airline. But meanwhile, I have a son to raise. He's going to be near 10 next year. So I'm not running from my responsibilities. But on the other hand, I'm doing this for myself, for my family. Like, they're really proud of me. ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੇ ਡਿਪੈਂਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਪਊਗਾ. I can drive trucks. I can fly planes. I can teach theory. I can teach how to fly. I have so many options for me already to be like going for. Any be okay, now I don't have to do job. Husband ਕਹਿੰਦੇ it's okay if you don't want to do job, just ਆਪਣਾ ਘਰੇ ਰਹਿਸ਼ ਕਰ. But ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਵੀ why? Just laying down in a bed watching TV, it's not gonna get you anywhere. ਬਾਕੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਸਤੀ 'ਚ ਰਹੋ, ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰੋ. That's it, simple. ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਵੀਰੇ, and don't waste your time for that. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So I have helped I think so far 5 people. I'm not sure because I don't know where my phone number is going all over the place. They're asking for it. It's really good treatment. If it can fix my problem, which was worse, I think it's easy for everybody rather than going for the surgery. To fix this way, some exercises, good diet, and you will be good in no time. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.